Good morning, everyone. Looks like we are right around the corner from Thanksgiving, so this is our last productive week, hopefully, because I'm hoping that all of us will get enough done this week so that we can have enough time to relax and be with our families next week. So we are in week 12, and if you'll look at your syllabus on week 12, which is November 14th through 22nd, you got a few things due this week. We're continuing the last chapter of that section, which means test 2 will be due this week. So you have until the 22nd at midnight to do test 2. You can find test 2 under the course content, and it should be showing test 2 over the three chapters there. Test 2 is 120 minutes long, so you have 120 minutes to take it. So my advice always is to at least leave 2 hours ahead of you. Even if you know you might be able to complete it in 30 minutes, make sure and allot 2 hours, because once you start it and you click begin test, even if you completely log out, the clock keeps ticking. Just make sure that whenever you're ready to take the test, that you do it all in one sitting and you're ready for it, and have that time set aside. So I can't emphasize that enough. Other than that, you have all week. So it's on your time just to get it done before midnight on the 22nd. So make sure and get that finished. It'll be over those three chapters. It's worth 100 points of your 1,000 points of your grade. In addition to that, you have discussion 3 due this week. It opened last week. I'd like to leave it open for 2 weeks. That way you have time to comment on other people's, and it gives other people a chance with their schedules and everything to get theirs done. So be sure and get discussion 3 due today. This week. So week 12, November 14th through 22nd, which takes us through next Monday, a week from today. You need to finish your MindTap review and your MindTap video case file, as well as test 2 and discussion 3. So you got a lot of things due this week. You're looking at a total of probably a little over 200 points there. So this is a critical part to get done. And then we're just kind of home free after that. We're ready to get done and move towards the end of the semester. We are just a few weeks away from that. So get this done. That way you're not stressing out over the holiday and you have plenty of time to take off and relax before we come back for finals. Hope everybody has a great week. Please don't hesitate to reach out and send me an email, kburns@southplainscollege.edu, if you have any issues with the test, submitting discussions, or any of your MindTap stuff. Other than that, I hope to see everybody having it submitted before next Tuesday morning. I'll come in and start grading some of those, and then that way you should see a lot of your grades, including your discussion number 3. Have a great week, and hopefully everybody stays productive and is feeling well and does well. And best of luck to you.